early morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. A few fish. The rod is here. Fish in there.
يا حلف كل شيء